let's come into Chanel boutique with me. This is the second time I'm here at this boutique in this area. So let's come in and show you the outside here. Gonna get that, and also the one over here. I'm super happy that I could get all these, the limited edition, especially this one, the number 5, the Chanel, because it's a 100th anniversary of Coco Chanel, and also the holiday gift sets. These are so hard to get. You know, the SA is so amazing because I just met her the day before these launched in store. They all sold out on the website in minutes. So even for the pre-orders items on the website, the Chanel website, is all, you know, it's not available. But these I got is directly from Chanel boutique. I'm so thankful that I met her at store, and she held these for me until I could pick it up the first day, yesterday when it's launched. And because she said that there are only few that came to store, so the manager didn't allow them to hold for anyone. So I'm really grateful for that, what she did for me. And also this is the first year that I could get the camellia flowers from Chanel Boutique. Only at Chanel Boutiques that they have the color camellia flowers. At the regular store, if you get it from Nordstrom or Saks or dealer or anywhere else, Neiman Marcus or so, only white flowers. But I think every year there has different colors at the Chanel boutiques. So hopefully I get different colors for next year. Well, I'm not sure what color they're gonna do next, but the ribbons, they do different from last year's. The packagings, like every year is a little bit different. So this is from the Chanel boutique for the holidays. And this one right here is the same packaging, the same type, but from Chanel website it's only black and white, but from Chanel boutique it's for holiday, it's more special, it's limited edition. So this is super nice for display on the shelf.
This very sheer.
Oh, okay, very natural for the one from the set.
Yeah. This one everybody can wear. But this is a holiday and you can make a statement with this. Which one? This one is a limited package.
Yeah, that's what I
Okay, you want
like.
number 5 or you want low? We have this one and this one is a king that package.
Oh, so can you spray? Let me see.
This one is very light and fresh.
Yeah, because I use this, but I never had the white one. Wow, it's so pretty. Can you try this on too? Okay, so that is the difference.
Yeah, you have to. This one you can use any other
On top of
palette.
other
Yeah, and
colors. as you can see here, these are what I got from the Chanel boutique yesterday. Also, I got this box from Chanel website, which I ordered a few days ago. I didn't know they have it at Chanel boutique, so I ordered online. I also pre-ordered the eye palette, the eyeshadow palette. So it's pre-order, so it's gonna come soon. But I also got it from the Chanel boutique, so I'm gonna share with you soon. So now let's unbox this one. This is a lipstick that I got from Chanel website. So it is my first time order from Chanel website. So let's see how it is inside. Okay, so it's a Chanel box. And here it is inside. Very pretty. And yes, this is the receipt. Yeah. And what is it? Okay. All right, so this is the receipt with the return label. Yeah. So let's see in here. Okay, very fancy. Yeah, so this box that I order online, just one item, but for every order, it comes with the 2 complimentary gifts, like a perfume or something. Let me see. I chose 2 different items. Let's see how it is in here. This is how the box inside. Okay. It is the pouch with the Chanel in it. I think this is a sample because I can already see the lipstick here. This is a limited edition Chanel number 5, number 99 Pirate from Allure Rouge lipstick. And let's see what in here. Okay, so here are 2 samples, the complimentary gift that I got from the website. For the thing that I pre-order on the website is coming soon. For this color right here, number 99, I already have it try on at the Chanel boutique. This is perfect for like holidays, right? Oh, amazing. That is $9.99. Let's see what else I want. You like that one?
This one is a full
$1.47.
undertone. This is a full undertone. And this one has a little warm undertone. You see? It's like in a pinky.
It's
like,
a more bluish tone, blue tone.
Yes, yes.
How about this one? Let's see.
This one will be.
I hope you enjoy watching what I unboxed today, what I got for Christmas 2021. If you did, enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell down below to get notified every time I upload a new video. I hope to upload it as often as I can, and don't forget to join me on Instagram so we can be friends and share our interests about luxury and lifestyle. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. See you back in my next video. Bye bye.